The Bombi Bēbee V2 Stroller is impressively lightweight and compact, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, which makes it perfect for parents who need a reliable yet portable option. One of the standout features is its effortless one-hand fold mechanism, allowing busy parents to quickly collapse the stroller with ease and confidence. Designed to handle various terrains, this stroller offers superior all-wheel suspension and premium tires, ensuring a smooth ride on sidewalks, gravel paths, or cobblestones. With its eco-friendly UV protective fabrics, the stroller not only shields your child from harmful sun rays, but also contributes to environmental sustainability by recycling plastic bottles. Storage is abundant with the Bombi Bēbee V2, featuring a spacious basket, hidden pockets, and convenient compartments, accommodating all the necessities for a day out. The thoughtful design includes a no-rethread harness and a sturdy frame that supports up to 50 pounds, making it a versatile choice for growing children.